Aaron, what are you doing in the dishwasher? Huh? What are you doing? Yeah? Yeah? What else are you doing?
What? Yeah.
Oh, you're busy. Hi. What are you doing? What?
What's this? Want to throw it? Catch. Oops. Oh.
Is that your new ball? I like that new ball, huh? It's hand size. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah. You got that down. What else you know? Let's hear some more words. Hi, yeah. Doggy.
Whoops.
Doggy. What'd you do? Where's the doggy? I don't know. I don't know.
Where's the doggy?
I don't know. I don't know where the doggy
I don't
is.
know. Yes.
What?
What you doing right there?
You blowing your nose?
And Daddy to wipe your nose, huh?
Blow your nose. Blow.
Hi, Mommy. Wow. Yeah, that's what Joey's down, Daddy. This? Banana? Rotten banana?
Hey, bossy boy.
Look at Mommy. Say hi, Mom.
You got a banana? It looks good. Mmm.
Oh yeah, when you eat it then. There.
Mmm, mushy. Mushy. Yeah? What's that? Was it hard?
Look at this mess. See? Who made this mess? Did you make it?
Aaron, you pick up your toys.
You made the mess, huh? See? What's this?